Good day, everyone. My name is Joel Soler Fernandez, and with my partner.
Hello, everyone. My name is Winston Amay Claro,
and today we're going to discuss about perennialism.
Before we proceed discussing about perennialism, first let's talk about the proponent. One of the proponents of perennialism was Thomas Aquinas. Thomas Aquinas is a crucial figure in the development of perennialism, particularly its religious version. In his work called De Magistro, which means the teacher, he emphasized the importance of the teacher as a guide, but also stressed the student's active role in learning. He advocates the study of various classic texts from the various culture and discipline, which is the core tenets of perennialism.
And now we're going to take a short discussion about perennialism. Perennialism teaches about everlasting, and that certain knowledge is constant and unchangeable, and it is also relevant across generations. Perennialism makes a learner more durable and character-wise. It is a teacher-centered principle, which means the teacher must disseminate the truth and values that has a reason.
Some perennialistic methods of teaching include great book approach, Socratic dialogue, lecture and discussion, emphasis on critical thinking, integration of subject, teacher as a mentor, focus on character development, and experiential learning. And here are some examples of subjects. It includes philosophy, ethics, theology, foreign language, history, and arts and literature.
And that's all for today in this video, and thanks for watching.